Start by adding your video to the timeline. Move the time indicator to where you want the slow motion to begin. Let's say at 3 seconds. Then cut the clip using the razor tool by pressing C, or simply press Ctrl plus K. Next, move to where you want the slow motion to end. For example, at 1 second, and cut again. Now right-click on the middle part, this section. Go to speed/duration, set the speed to 25%, and make sure reply to is checked. Then click OK. This will extend the clip forward because slowing it down requires more frames to play. Now, depending on your video's frame rate, you might notice the footage looks like a bit choppy. That's because slow motion works best with higher frame rates. But don't worry, there's a fix in Premiere Pro. Right-click the clip, go to Time Interpolation and select Optical Flow. Or you can set it directly in Speed/Duration panel. After that, you'll see a red bar about the clip. This means it needs rendering. Select the clip and just press Enter. And Premiere Pro will render it so you can preview the smooth slow motion. If it's still not working, move to the beginning of the clip you want to slow down and press I. Next, go to the end of the section and press O. Next, open the sequence menu and click Render into Out. This will start rendering that selected area. If you want to clear this selection, simply right-click on the timeline and choose Clear In and Out. That's all for now. Follow me for more Premiere Pro tricks.